Up guys, today I'm just going to be doing a little bit of, I'm going to be putting my bike back together, cleaning it, putting some fresh oil in it, and later on maybe repainting the frame. So I'll give you a quick look. So guys, this is what I've done so far. Painted my bars deep red, looks real nice. My clamps, tried to paint my bolts chrome but didn't really work. Levers, hot start, everything's red. I lost my Kickstarter, so I've got a new one of them coming. Today after I water blast my bike, I probably will have a go at repainting the frame. I've got the numbers for it, NH146 accurate silver. So that's good. Straightened out the top clamp of my bars. What else? No, just slowly getting there with it, making it look a bit better. I did do black brake lever with red on the tip. That did look pretty cool at the time, but now I'm either just going to strip it back to normal and just paint it Honda silver again, or all black. And I'm going to do my pegs later. Last time I went with a what do you call it, like a shiny black. This time, oh fuck, I can hear a cat screeching. This time I'm gonna go probably for a flat black or a matte black, just because it looks better. And yeah, that's about it. Probably be getting some new graphics at some stage. Yeah, so yeah, just repainting the frame and pegs, and that's really it. Might do my sprocket later on too. Don't know what colour I'll do that, but yeah. Anyway, I'll get back. Okay guys, so I've ran into a slight problem. I've lost the rubber bit that goes over your brake, over the brake to like protect the bolt and shit. It's like this little rubber housing. And I don't know where the feck it's gone. Remember where I put my clutch lever, I think. Yeah, I do. It's still here. Didn't come up the nicest. I put another clear coat on it, but see, it's got that on the bottom and shit, so I'll probably redo it tonight when I get my new paint in. But it's hard as a rock. It's not chipping. It's just because I put it on that. No, it looks alright. So I'm happy with everything I've done to my bike, but just gotta find this plastic thing, which I'm having a lot of trouble with, so I'll get back to you when I find it. Holy shit guys, so I walked over to the house, I searched out the whole man cave, and I don't know whether you guys saw, but my brake housing, rubber brake housing, was on my seat, sitting there the whole frickin' time. How did I not see it? I swear I'm mentally retarded, guys. Anyway, I'll get back to you when I'm putting the oil in. Hey, what's up guys? Found everything for my bike, put everything back on, bars are on, levers, everything, so I'm getting ready. I'm going to repaint the brakes after I've finished, the gear shifter and the pegs, and then later on I'll do the frame and the engine and shit like that. So yeah, do a bit of a time lapse while it's washing. Cool guys. So, just finished washing the bike. It's looking pretty good. Just going to take my pegs off, probably my gear shifter and my brake, and get to painting them. So that's what it looks like, all clean and shiny. Pretty good, I think. So all this shit hanging off in here, I couldn't get it out. It's in the radiator. So I'll probably go ahead and give that a little bit of a clean down soon. Get everything out of there because it's starting to overheat just a tad. But yeah, nice and shiny. Used best stuff I've ever used. You would have seen in the first half of the time lapse. Shit on the guards, the number plate, all the steel, nothing would come off. You go and put this stuff on. It's absolutely awesome. No acid, nothing like that. No acids, nothing. You can use it on street bikes, track cars, mountain bikes, motocross bikes, quads, and four-wheel drives. I use it for everything. It's no brushes, no effort. It can be used safely on aluminium. That's the thing I like about it. Anodized parts, it's fine with everything. So there's the steps. Step 1, blah blah blah. Yeah, that's awesome stuff, guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and change the oil in my bike. Probably do a little video of that and just speed it up. Yeah, oh look at that. Mud. Right, okay, let's go.
So guys, didn't realise I didn't have any 10W40 motor. So instead I'm using Castrol Magnetic 10W40, which for me I've used before and makes my bike perform pretty good really, just as well as it does perform on motor. So yeah, this stuff is just awesome. Oops, a little bit there. Clean that off afterwards. But I'll hold the camera and the thing at the same time, so check how much is just going in there and see how much will need. See what we've got here. Let's also go ahead and repaint the whole frame today, so.
Hey guys, thought I'd end today's vlog here. I already made a ending, but it didn't look good because I sprayed grey primer etch all through my eyes. Painting my brake lever again, repainting it. It's in the oven now with a primer, which is in my eye. That happened about an hour and a half ago, so it's all good now. I just washed it out with some eye wash, but yeah. All in all, it's been a good day today. People have different opinions on my bars of my bike and my levers, but hey, some people love them, think they look really cool. Other people think they look like AIDS, as in Lewis. But yeah, anyway guys, peace out.